Wait, Bettel.
On my planet, this was blue.
What the
What the?
That happens if I shoot Shinri.
Oh, wait, hold on.
I knew I shouldn't trust him.
This planet will be mine.
Oh, God.
For Magni.
A lot of pleasure.
Alright.
Oh, that's...
No, this way then.
Why can't you stop moving?
Listen.
Oh.
It's
Oh.
Bill who?
drift.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Wait, see.
I'm going in.
Bet.
This is really bright.
It's just a black screen for me.
Careful, Shinri. We're about to run you over.
You son of a bitch.
Never heard of that shit. That's not. That's we can customize. Oh, there's a purple mobile. Check it out. We got radio shit.
Why is it so purple?
I don't know, bro. But it's a stunner.
I think that's the thing you put on cow heads when they need to go.
It's the
Put me to work.
Gotcha.
Oh, it's gonna be a bumpy ride. Just bring him like. Turn off your flashlight. I'm being blinded.
Dash. Power.
Oh!
Whoa.
Oh my lord! Hold on. Wait.
Bad. Bettel grew hair.
It's my human wig. I was feeling good today.
Maybe.
They just leave. Whoa.
Wait, I think I
Beautiful.
it's
So.
Oof.
I can always just beam back up to the mothership and come back.
Something ain't right with the chickens.
Hold on. Hey, pendejo, ¿qué pasa? ¿Dónde puta están los huevos, ah?
Oh god.
The cow's got a nicer damn home than me.
You don't have one.
Honestly,
Exactly.
How's it going, Papa?
Oh. It's going.
Is it what? When you call me, I'll fucking
Kill you.
I'll fucking kill you.
I can't pick up. What?
See you in a minute.
I know exactly why Mom left us.
What?
Yes, it is.
It's like a fucking mom.
I can't.
Fucking Katrina's like pouring down, dude. Holy shit.
What he saying?
I can't hear you, boys.
Is
It's
this
so
count me to
loud.
Holy shit.
I'm drowning.
Damn, there's water on my screen. It's like on my eyes.
Wait.
relatable, ain't it? Man, this game ain't this real, please.
Damn, you just got Amazoned.
Oh!
Holy shit!
Alright, Judy Hopps, is Judy dead?
Alright, baby. I got bullets now. Yeah, baby.
I'll let you know how the hunting goes. Well, there was a wolf in here, scared the shit out of me. Broke character for a minute, but it's fine.
All right. I think our only hope is to kill as many of these creatures as possible and sell the meat for $30 a buck.
Well, wait. We need to see how much this hunter gives.
I'm coming back
4
up.
out of 8. 4 out of 8.
We have half a tank of gasoline left, and after that, we're gonna be out.
So fucking far away from.
Oh, wait, where are you? Where are you? Oh, you're going up.
I'm going up, baby.
We have enough gas for like 1 round trip, maybe 2.
Hey,
Where do
Metal.
you find out?
Hey,
Where do you find
Metal.
rabbits at?
Yeah.
Why you like this?
Oh, listen, I'm just doing my best. It scared the shit out of me. He gave me a bark or two, and then he bit me. Guys, I think I'm on the moon. I don't know what's going on. This place looks very strange.
I'm coming.
What does it not look like?
What the fuck are you guys?
We'll have to go together one day and go to the ends of the earth.
That we're killing animals.
Oh my god. Oh my god. It was a car. I thought it was a bear. It was a car.
Damn, he tried.
Let's go.
You know, when they predate.
Oh god, we're losing him. What'd you do to him?
I can't breathe.
He's on the shine.
It's a 5G antenna.
Oh shit.
Ma.
Did you kill them all, Bettel?
Yeah, all 3 of them. You gotta have to hold it in, brother. You'll knock out 3 streams to 1 stone. Well, I just shot something in the head. It was not a predator.
Wait, what did you shoot?
Well, it was some kind of mountain deer.
Plow a field? Is he milkable? Hold on.
Hey.
Oh, sorry. Oh, sorry. I hurt you a little bit. It's all about the pacing.
He's milking a cow and I'm about to blow a predator's head off. Alright, 2 out of 5. Find the last one. I feel it.
Wait. Why?
Oh, she needs to eat. Let her rest. Let her rest, Hakka. Jeez.
God damn it, man.
I need therapy.
Gentlemen, the last predator has been killed. If we sold like a berry, we could go to the auction. Maybe we can auction something.
Morning, Betsy. Jesus.
I'll keep an eye out for animals. Shoot them on the way. Oh shit.
That's right, baby.
Let's go to the best burger.
With the
I think there's untapped potential. Found something. Oh wait, never mind. I'm an idiot.
Dude.
We're really a gnat in the ranch world.
Oh!
You're one of them dump trucks.
Damn.
It's okay. Performance anxiety. We got this.
Oh!
We got him. Where's Hakka? I'm sure he's playing berries and doesn't even know what to say. Oh shit.
I'm hunting. I got.
Oh shit. Oh shit. 360. 360. 360 moment.